Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Oh shit! We actually got the drink here. This is the Beetlejuice YouTube video. All right, guys, so I have the brand new Beetlejuice soda. It's spiced apple flavor. It says haunted apple. I was actually reading the side on here and it says spiced apple soda, naturally flavored with other natural flavors. And I'm excited for it because who doesn't love green apple soda, spiced apple, haunted apple, whatever the hell you want to call this? I think it's got potential, right? And I'm excited. Beetlejuice, super popular. I have never seen the movies. I don't get the hype. So many people have been asking for, dude, make a Beetlejuice drink. I don't get it. I don't even know what the movies are about. They look weird. I went to like a live play once at Universal years ago. I didn't get it, man. I don't get the hype. And I'm bashing Beetlejuice to people who I think like Beetlejuice and trying to get them to watch my video. So pretend I didn't say any of that. I love Beetlejuice. Let's try some Beetlejuice soda. Oh. This might be the worst soda I've ever had in my life. That is crazy. Oh, it is bad. Holy, it's so bad. I'm gonna say it, this is the worst soda I've ever had. And I tried the Oreo Coke. I've tried spiced Coke. I've tried just about every soda there is. I love Mountain Dew. This is disgusting. And it's 160 calories for what? That is enough of that. Holy crap. Okay, here's the problem. It's spiced, right? But it's also caramel. So it's like a spiced caramel apple with not enough apple and like fake apple. It is not good, but I bought a case of it. What am I gonna do with this? It's got a nice color to it. You can't see it, but it's got like a bright green color. Okay. So the idea was to make a Beetlejuice drink with a Beetlejuice soda. I'm not gonna do that. That's disgusting. No, we're just not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this disgusting Beetlejuice soda, which I mean, this dude is a little creepy looking. Maybe they were going to like, I feel like if he was a green apple soda, it would taste like this. So maybe they were going for that. Maybe that's why. But so what we're gonna do is instead of using this and like destroying my alcoholic flavors, we are going to make a delicious Beetlejuice foam cocktail, if that makes sense. We're gonna make a Beetlejuice drink, but the only way we use this is gonna be in the foam, so it's nice and creamy. It probably brings down that spice level, because drinking this on its own, you would have to be like a serial killer or a mass murderer, or just something would be wrong with you if you enjoy this soda. Like someone, please tell me someone out there enjoys this, because this has to be the biggest fail I've ever had. That's crazy. To make the foam, you need an egg, a lemon. This is our juice. Normally we use juice in a soda, but today we are using foam. And we're also gonna use a little bit of sour apple syrup. So that'll hopefully bring down the nastiness of this. That's crazy. I can't believe they did that. I'm gonna be talking about this for days. All right, so first ingredient, let's start with 1 large egg white. Fun fact, guys. Oh yeah, fun fact. I love fun facts. A lot of people don't realize when you are cracking an egg, crack it on a flat surface, because if you crack it like on the edge of the glass, the eggshells go in and it makes it gross. You don't want that. So always crack your eggs on a flat surface, whether you're going for egg whites or not. All right, perfect. All right, let's do 3 ounces of Beetlejuice soda. It has a really nice color to it. It really does. I'm excited for that. Let's add 1.5 ounces of sour apple syrup. This is gonna really fix that terrible Beetlejuice flavor, because it's bad. Oh, that's crazy. Let's do just a little splash more. You guys know the deal. Always roll your lemons. We want to get 1.5 ounces, so we need this lemon to be juicy. And it feels juicy. It feels like it's gonna be, what's that word that people like? Voluptuous or something like that? It's gonna be a juicy lemon, I'm telling you that now. Well, let's see, I gotta do this twice today. I've gotten good at it. Can we get the flip? Oh, son of a gun, I had it. I got it in there. I got it in there twice in a row. I've truly gotten good at this. Come, one more time. Halfway, we're gonna count it. Let's see if that's gonna be close to the amount of juice that we need. Really get all that we can out of here. Okay. Oh yeah. Wow, I am actually getting 1.5 ounces out of this lemon. Barely, but I did it. And you have to use 1.5 ounces. You really want it to be balanced, especially when we're using a like more sugary soda like this. Oh yeah, there we go. Dump that in. Right now, this color looks perfect. It's just when you foam up the egg white, it's gonna get so much whiter. So I have a little bit of neon green food dye. It's cheating a little bit, but we're gonna toss in a couple drops just to make sure this thing is potently green, toxically green, if you will. And to remove some of the carbonation from the soda, we are going to mix this with my frother. To get rid of soda, you can froth it. Or to get rid of the carbonation in soda, you can froth it a little bit. And this will actually help with the, what do you call it? Like when I now go and put this into my whipped cream canister, I will have, it'll be nice and ready to go. So let's dump this in carefully. So it's already gotten a pre-foaming stage, if you will. Who doesn't love a little bit of pre-foam? Oh, it smells so much better. This soda, man. Let's make sure everyone knows this is a thing. Disgusting. Oh, I just punch you. You guys know what we gotta do next. We're gonna charge it and shake it. All right, let's put the charger on and give this a good 30 shakes. Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first ingredient for Beetlejuice is not gonna be vodka as I take the top off. It's gonna be black cherry syrup. We want this to be a black and white drink with a crazy green top. So what better way to do that than with black cherry syrup? Now I could have gone for something like black licorice, but I hate black licorice. So we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of black cherry syrup. Let's do 2 ounces of vodka. You know what? He's a crazy dude. Let's do a 3-ounce drink. This is a tall glass, high pour, so I think it makes sense. Next, for a little bit of balance, we are going to add in 3 dashes of orange bitters. I think orange is gonna go with the rest of the drink we have here. The next ingredient being lychee, or lychee, whatever you wanna call it. I just think it's fitting. I think lychee apple, it's just a fun flavor. We're gonna toss at least 2 ounces, maybe a little bit more. Let's do 4 ounces of lychee. And now is the kind of fun part. I wanted to do ginger. I think this will help fix the spice levels, but we only need to top it with a little bit of ginger here. So let's do just like 2 ounces. And that is it. Now is for the fun part. We are gonna put on our Beetlejuice foam to complete the Beetlejuice cocktail. I think the colors right now are awesome. We got the black, it fades all the way to white. What's it matter if we don't have a good foam on top and if it doesn't taste good? So let's give it a couple more shakes and see if I nailed this. Here we go. It's green. It's not super green, but it looks really good. Oh yeah, I like the contrast on that. What do you guys think? Could have been a little greener maybe. You're gonna fix that in post, right? Like, just fucking crazy green. Oh my God, I can't even believe I used this to create this. That's crazy. It's so much better. It just tastes like a spiced apple, but like not trash. I think the lemon juice really fixed a lot of the problems this had. Dude, I want to throw up drinking that. That's crazy. I could rant all day about that. Okay, let's stir together our foam, our cocktail. I chose not to shake this one for the layers. You obviously, if you want to shake it, you're more than welcome to, but I think giving it a little stir is more than enough. Cheers to the Beetlejuice movie. What you're about, I have no idea, but you look funny, so. I knew the lychee would work. See, what you kind of got going is like a spiced apple lychee, because that's really the only flavors. The black cherry, while yeah, we did do a full 1/2 ounce, it didn't really shine through. It pairs well on its own. Like you can do cherry and apple, you can do cherry and lychee. Doing it with those 2 flavors, I think just the lychee took over. And you really are just getting most of the spice flavors from the foam and the ginger beer, and it pairs super well with the lychee. It's really nice, it's really fun. A little bit more exotic than you might have guessed for Beetlejuice. And the fact that there's 3 ounces of liquor in here is also amazing because I can hardly taste it. I'm more impressed by the foam though. The drink is solid. If I'm gonna rate the drink, I'm gonna give it like an 8.2. I think I'm back to rating very specifically for some reason. That's the kind of mood we're in today. Yeah, this is good. The foam is even better though. I cannot believe how bad this was. We saved it. Fanta, in my opinion, don't you want a Fanta? This should never hit the shelves again. But if you do want to make a good drink, hit me up, Fanta. I will fix everything about your problems, and we won't have such garbage to put out there. And you won't disappoint people. Again, I'm gonna ask you guys one more time. If you know someone who enjoyed this soda, it doesn't even have to be you, send them my way. I just wanna talk. I wanna be like, hey, what's up? Tell them to leave a comment on this video so that I can be like, hey, respectfully, what's wrong with you? Because that's disgusting. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is all there is to it when it comes to making a perfect Beetlejuice cocktail. I have nothing more to say. This was impressive and this was disgusting. Cheers, I'll see you guys in the next video. You better leave a comment, you better leave a like, you better subscribe, and if you don't, share this with somebody. You're worse than that soda.